Rani Hong kienet ittraffikata fl-età ta' 7 snin. Wara li rnexxilha toħroġ mis-suq tal-iskjavitu, Rani daret diversi pajjiżi sabiex tqajjem kuxjenza dwar x'inhi l-iskjavitu moderna u d-tbatija li jgħaddu minnha dawk li jinqabdu fiha. Bħalissa Rani tinsab Malta biex bir-rakkont tal-istorja tagħha tqajjem kuxjenza fih dan l-awtoritajiet dwar skjavitu, inkluż fost it-tfal. Ma' Net News, Rani rrakkontat kif ħabiba tal-familja tagħhom kienet ħajret lill-omma sabiex toffri lil binta, iġifieri lil Rani, biex ikollha edukazzjoni aħjar. Li ma kienitx taf omma kienet li din il-mara kienet taħdem biex tfal ikunu traffikati għal skopijiet differenti. U dakinhar kien imiss lil binta, Rani, li kienet kellha 7 snin.
As a child slave at the age of 7, I was kidnapped from my mother and then sold into slavery in southern India. So I have a horrific story. I was enslaved for 1 year between the ages of 7 and 8, when no child should be sold and used like a piece of property. So in those years of captivity, I felt very lonely and desperate, and I felt like nobody was listening to my cry.
Il-ħajja tar-Rani issa nbidlet kompletament. Iż-żewġet u għandha tfal. Wara ħafna snin, reġgħet iltaqiet anke ma' omma.
My life is great. I'm married with 4 children, and I have a good life, and I speak around the world on this issue, raising visibility, raising the awareness, so another child will not be sold, and not another child be separated from a mother. And after 21 years later, I was reunited with my birth mother in 1999. There in my tourist hotel, I asked her the question, how did I end up in the United States? I realized she had no idea where USA was. And then at that point is when I realized there's something going on here. And at that moment is when I heard about child trafficking. And that is when I knew I was a victim of this trade.
Kull 15-il sekonda, persuna fid-dinja tinbigħ għall-iskjavitu, inkluż it-tfal. Rani spjegat ukoll li aktar minn 24 miljun persuna u stmat li nqabdu fin-nassa tal-iskjavitu moderna.
There is hope to former victims that today, because of our work being established together, we can bring about systematic change. And that is my hope today. 46 million slaves that are still enslaved today.
Il-terminu ta' skjavitu moderna taqqat fiha traffikar tal-persuni, xogħol sfurzat taħt kundizzjonijiet miżeri, traffikar ta' persuni għal skopijiet sesswali, għal żwieġ sfurzat u għal kwalunkwe forma ta' esploitazzjoni tal-bniedem li jkun mibjuħ mit-traffikanti.
It's selling people for a profit. I was sold like a piece of property and traded in the open market. I was in the marketplace of victimization, and today I am now changing that marketplace. So we know human trafficking is sometimes transported to other locations. Sometimes it does not include transportation. But literally the human trafficking is a crime against humanity.
Rani Hong biex tqajjem il-kuxjenza dwar il-ġlieda kontra l-iskjavitu bdiet il-ħidma fih dan it-Troni Foundation. Hong qed tieħu sehem f'summit organizzat f'pajjiżna b'kollaborazzjoni mal-Uffiċċju tal-President ta' Malta Mary Louise Colejro Preka.